Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be trying to use this. You guys, I've had this probably for a year. Yeah, I probably had this for like a year. It's just been sitting in my basement. So I'm gonna take this out and attempt to do this. You guys, it is like 20 degrees here in Ohio. It is freaking freezing. Freaking freezing. Do I know anything about crocheting? Heck no. But you know what? That cold weather that I felt this morning, it was like, girl, you better learn. You better figure something out. Because I'm not here to play. Shoot. Oh my God, this look complicated already. Already I'm scared. What is this? Am I gonna need this stuff? Well, I guess I would need it if it comes with it, right? Silly question. Alright. These are some pretty little colors. Okay. Is this supposed to be? Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. So, here's the instructions. But y'all know me and instructions. I'm not even finna read this. I'm not going to pretend like I'm going to read it. I'm going to tell y'all what I'm about to do. I'm about to go try to find a goddamn video on this, because look at this. This don't even look like it makes sense. This don't even make sense. I'm looking at it. It don't even make sense. So I'm about to go and watch a video. Hopefully their video is very educational and I can learn something and hopefully relay the message to you guys. So I'll be back. Alright you guys, so I actually watched like a pretty good video. It was a little girl, like she was on point. Like she was on point. And she also told me that the instructions is the most important part. So bless her heart. Now, I'm going to start right here at this peg. I'm going to start with black. I am going to add in more colors, but I'm going to go ahead and start with black. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and mix these two right here, and I'm going to start by, y'all, I don't know how to put no slip knot, don't even know what it is, so I'm just going to start by tying a knot, put it right there. Let me see which peg she put it on. One more again, y'all, one more again. Okay, yep, I put it on the right one. Proud of myself. Okay, so now to start, what we're going to do, I'm going to take both of these at the same time. I'm going to go in front and wrap. What did I say I was going to do? Go, am I going to, hold on y'all, hold up. Okay, so we're actually going to start by taking it behind. So it's going to go behind the peg, wrap, behind the next peg, wrap, and you're going to keep doing that all the way around. And we're just going to keep going. Okay, so once you get back here to the beginning where you started with your slip knot, what you're going to do is you're going to take it, and instead of going back like we did previously, you're going to go forward and around. Just like that. So same thing, just different direction. And we're going to do this all the way around. Alright you guys, and once you went back to the beginning to your slip knot, you can't really add anything else on there. So what it's time to do now is it's time to get your little hook and take the bottom two, just the bottom two, trying to just take just the bottom two, okay, yes, and flip it over. Goodness. And then, is that it? Y'all, it's so hard to see. Yep, that's all you're gonna do. Take the bottom two and flip it over top. So that you can then start this row all over again. Alright, y'all, so it's now 2 o'clock. Y'all, I've been doing this probably for about the last 4 or 5 hours. This is as far as I have gotten. As you can see, I got no damn wear, okay? Nowhere. Let me tell y'all, that little girl in the video, her little video was so cute. It was 3 minutes long, and you know, 3 minutes, she left out a lot of goddamn details, okay? Like, for one, I had to start this project over probably about 3 or 4 times. For one, when you are, you know, you got to latch it over top of the other one. So, you have to make sure you give yourself enough slack and enough room, like on each one of these hooks, to be able to flip it over. Ha! She didn't tell you that. So, I kept doing it over and over, trying to figure out what the heck I was doing wrong. That's what I was doing wrong. Wasn't giving myself enough slack, okay? Y'all, as I said before in this video, before I even started, crochet, knitting, this is not my specialty. This is not my area of expertise. So this craft, this one, excuse my magic words, this is kicking my ass. Like, I got a black eye and a bloody nose. I'm losing terribly. Terribly. Okay? My husband is laughing at me, but I'm serious. I'm losing this fight. I'm trying. We in intermission right now. This is the halftime. So, I'm finna, try to take an energy drink, something, because I need it. I got to come back with an uppercut. I got to do something, because I'm losing. I am losing. You guys, let me tell y'all. It is 9:30 at night. 9:30. And this is what I got. Do y'all see that? I have pretty much not much nothing. This is like all that I was able to do. You guys, I've been doing this for like 10 hours. That little girl's video was 3 minutes. That's false advertisement, y'all. Like, what the freak? Like, I have a new respect for things that are knit and crochet. Like, y'all, this take time. Like, y'all, man, this took my whole life. Like, it took my whole life. Y'all, I'm gonna need to get myself together after this. I'm gonna need a serious drink. Something. This craft done stressed me out to the max. Okay, so I'm about to close it up now. I'm finished to close this thing up. So I'm gonna cut some of this string. I'm gonna leave what, 1.5 foot? I don't know what that is. I don't know. I'm ready to be done. Like, I'm honestly just ready. And it came with like a little needle, so you're going to put your little yarn through. Gosh, you know what? This is actually good for if you want to get rid of your kids for like a good day. You just want silence. Yeah, give this to your kids. This is a great Christmas gift. It's awesome. You won't see your kids at all the whole day, if not for a week, because this takes a long time. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the start, and what I'm going to do is I am going to take this through the first one and thread it up. And then as soon as you thread it, oh, don't go off my needle. As soon as you thread it up, you can go ahead and take it off, like off of the hook. And then I'm just gonna keep doing that. All the way around. You guys, this was stressful. Like, I see why, you know, in movies them little old ladies be in them little rocking chairs. Like, you need that. You need a rocking chair. I tried listening to some Beyonce. Y'all, it didn't work. Like, I had no life today. No life. None. That video was just false. And then, not even just that, but also the little girl, like I said, she was the first video I seen. I thought she was cute, super adorable. Okay, so don't always get fooled by that, y'all. Okay, so she started hers off with 2 strands, which is why I have the yarn and I'm doing 2 pieces. Nope, that's not how you normally do it. You're supposed to be doing this with 1 string. She could have told me, this is not a video for beginners. Do not copy what I'm doing if this is your first time. Y'all, this craft here kicked my butt. And I love crochet, so I hate that I really cannot do this. Like, it took way too long. Oh my god, I just did an error. Go back on there. Trying to go so fast. I'm trying to get this out of my life. And then watch 10 hours and I end up with a baby hat. Watch it be a baby hat. It won't even be like a regular size hat from a daughter. It's gonna be a baby hat. I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing this and I'll be back. Okay, so now that I've threaded it all the way through and I took it off, only thing I'm gonna do now is pull this and cinch it at the top. Trying to see which side I want it to be on. I think I want it to be on the other side. Yeah, so I'm going to do is where's that little needle, the little hook thing, the little, what I do with it? Where the heck is the little pink needle? Jesus. Okay, so I went on ahead and just threaded it through some of the loops and then just tied it off. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this as well. I actually like this side better. So what I want to do is attach this little pom-pom ball. Or do I like this side better? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Alright, I'm gonna say I like this side. Okay, I like this side. So I want to put the pom-pom ball like right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these through this hole and take this little needle and just thread these like just randomly throughout the top of this, and then knot it down. Alright, got that side. Let me do this one. Then I'm just going to tie this thing down. and then cut it. And now I have to cut these, of course. Alright, you guys, so I also added some little braided accessories on the sides. It's cute, but you guys, this is very time consuming. Very, very, very. I'm glad to be done with this project. That's all I can say. I'm done. I'm about to go live my life, y'all. I can't do this. Yeah, bye.